Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Kawasaki Z900 with ABS brakes. This street fighter just came in with only 2,600 miles on it. Beautiful showroom condition, silver and black with a red frame and wheels. Wait till you hear that Akrapovic exhaust. Come by and get this low mileage super sport street fighter for only $89.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.